guys, two coats of the TCP Global Restoration Shop Clear. I need to do, I'm gonna do another coat on the hood. I only got 2 coats on the hood. So I think I'll wait till next week and I'll cut it down and then do a flow coat on there. So I got 3 solid coats on this, on the sides of the truck and on the tailgate and the bed. The roof also has 3 coats. That's gonna take the most beating, so as well as the hood. That's why I want to redo this, because there's not enough on it. So I'll cut it down, make it nice and smooth, put a nice flow coat on it. The rest of the truck's got plenty of clear on it, so I'll wait a week or 2 and do a nice cut and buff, you know. So it's done in my carport, so it's outside in the elements, so it's not perfect. There's a little bit of orange peel, so I mean, that's to be expected. But I mean, you know, you can see me in it just fine. It looks good. You know, again, since it's outside, there's little bits in it, but nothing that I can't cut and buff. And this stuff isn't painted really. I mean, a little bit, but I have all the plastic and everything to go over that, so that'll be covered, so you won't even see it. Bumper's still off. Got to put that on, but everything looks good, man. This stuff came out pretty good. It flowed pretty nice for the temperature that I was working in. I didn't use any reducer or anything. These edges are probably the smoothest. It looks so nice right there. But yeah, again, I was outside. Yeah. That was the first coat I got this run. I was spraying and I didn't pay attention, and I was coming over this way, and the cup on the top of the gun caught the side view, and I didn't let go of the trigger. So that I'll take that out when I cut and buff it. Like I said, there's 3 coats on this thing, so I can cut that out, no problem. But yeah, not bad. Oh, see, look, there's a piece of hair. I get that. No big deal though. Nothing the cut and buff won't fix. So when I do the hood again, I gotta sand down these headlights, because when I did them first, I didn't use a coarse enough grit sandpaper. I think I used like 1500 or something, and that wasn't enough for this clear coat to grab on. So when I do the hood again, I'll pull these out, or I'll sand these down with some 800, and then I'll hit those as well, so that they don't look like crap and start clean up all this flake. But yeah, TCP Global Restoration Shop Clear Coat. It's not the Euro Clear, but man, it worked great. And hey, this is only 1 gallon. I still have a little bit of that gallon left, and then I have an entire gallon left. So I was expecting to have to use a lot more, but I guess not. I mean, this stuff flashed off so dang quick that I could just keep spraying it. I didn't have to stop. I could hit this side of the truck, go around the corner, hit the other side, and by the time I came back around, this stuff was already ready for another coat. So I just kept mixing and spraying. Yeah, not so bad. Looks pretty good for at home job. So yeah, I think if you guys are scared to do this stuff at home, don't be. Just take your time. You know, and if it doesn't come out perfect, which it won't, it's fine. No big deal, man. It'll look better than what you started with, I'm sure. I think the Paint Society, they say, you know, don't overthink it. It's just paint. So no big deal, man. I'd say that looks pretty good for an at-home job. Not bad. Thanks, guys.